Welcome. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an Amcrest 4 megapixel Ultra HD PoE outdoor bullet camera, and this is model IP4M-1026EW. And this was provided to me by Amcrest for review, and they're not compensating me for this, and they're not reviewing this before I post it. So let's get started here. If we look here, the specs here, we have 4 megapixel HD. So if you look at like an HD TV 1080p, that would be 2 megapixels. So this is twice as many pixels. And if you look at like 4K, that would be 8 megapixel or so. So this is like halfway between an HD TV and a 4K TV as far as pixels go. And this has 118 super wide view, night vision, motion detection, mobile viewing, multiple storage options, waterproof housing, quick and easy setup. So this talks about the Amcrest Cloud. Has apps for Google and Android here. This talks pretty much about the same things on the front. Let's see. And here we have, it says the weight is 1 pound, has dimensions here. Resolution is 2688 by 1520 at 30 frames per second. It says the 118 degree field of view, 18 infrared LEDs with maximum range of 98 feet. And it talks about storage as Amcrest NVR, and that would be Network Video Recorder, Amcrest Cloud, FTP, or NAS. And weatherproof is IP67 protective housing for harsh weather. So let's open this here. So we have a quick start guide. This is a sticker template that you can stick to the surface you want to mount this and then drill your holes. This talks about upgrading your firmware. This looks like regulatory information. This looks like warranty. And this is a foam covering it. This is a weatherproof housing for Ethernet cable. And here we have the camera and some mounting screws with plastic anchors. And that's everything in the box. Okay, so here's the camera. It's metal, it feels like steel. You can adjust this hood here, probably easier with the screwdriver, and then this will slide forward to cover the lens here. It comes with plastic over the lens. The LEDs, the infrared LEDs are around the perimeter here, and then we have the lens. I assume that's some sort of light sensor maybe there. We have some adjustable pivots here. You can pivot here. You can bend it here, and this is kind of a geared kind of joint, so it stays put, it won't slip. And then it has one here. So you can mount this on the side of a building. You can mount this on a soffit and point it up. There are lots of different orientations that you can do. So the wire here comes out the back. So if you drill a hole, you can mount this up and have the wire go through your hole you've drilled, or you can have the wire come out the side here. So when I mount these in a hole, I like to put a little piece of like foam weatherproofing in there, just something so this doesn't become a home for insects. So this is what it would look like out the side. So then we have the stickers on here, has the serial number and the QR code, so you can scan this with your phone to set it up for the initial setup. So it has this weatherproof connector here. So what you do is you put this cap on here, and then you put this piece of rubber, and that goes in here. So the rubber is going to go in here. So you would stick your Ethernet wire through here, and then you would put a crimp connector on the end, an RJ45 connector, and then you put this cap over it and tighten it down. And you can see this rubber here after I tighten it. That constricts around the Ethernet cable, so moisture can't get in there. So that's a pretty tight fit there. And then it has this O-ring here that you can put on this end. So actually you wouldn't tighten this down until you have the end on. So I would plug this in here, put this on, it tightens. So this, when you twist it, it tightens against this O-ring, and then you would tighten this down, and that gives you the weather tight fitting here for your Ethernet cable. So that's an unboxing of this Amcrest PoE bullet cam. If you have any questions about this, put it in the comments. If there's anything you want to see with this, let me know. I could probably make a video on it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.